Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we are doing a Temu haul. I had a little bit of bad editing stuff happen yesterday and I was going to put a video out, but that didn't happen. But so today we're going to do another Temu haul. I'm going to redo the whole video. First, let's get through this stuff. So I do have an affiliate and influencer code. The code for today is ALE363813. If you go to Temu, search that in the search bar and you will get some $0 gifts. Yes, $0 gifts with code ALE363813. I'll make sure it's on the screen. Make sure you use that code. Okay, and then I have a couple other announcements too, so let's just get right into this Temu haul. So welcome back. We're going to do a Temu haul. Two quick announcements. I do have a video up that has a $100 and a $50 giveaway, so make sure you go to that collab video, the Temu Spring Fling collab hosted by Hollin' It with Mima. Also, I have merch. I have merch now. Yes. So I'm going to start leaving a link to my merch in the description box. I'll post it in a community tab, but I have all kinds of things, you guys. I have t-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, koozies, bags, candles, all kinds of things. So I have the Zhuzh University cup holder. I have that Zhuzh t-shirt I had in my last video I wore. I also have this cool holographic bag. What? Hello, Summer. It says Zhuzh on it. I have a couple different ones. This one doesn't have anything on the back, so you could put other stickers on it. So yeah, check out those. These are really cool. I love those bags. I will make sure I link it, you guys. So check out my merch and feel free to, I even put stickers on there. I tried to have like a range of different items so that it would be different prices for everybody. So, all right. Also, don't forget, search my code on the Temu app. It's ALE363813 to get some $0 gifts. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay. In my struggle to continue to collect junk journaling items for the junk journals I'm eventually going to get to probably in my lifetime, or here's to hoping, I got some stamps. Some more. I love the Temu stamps. You cannot beat the Temu stamps. These are the transparent stamps. These were $3.26. I love these because look how cute they are. They've got like all these numbers, like tickets and numbers on them. I think these are adorable. These were $3.26. How cute. You could even cut these and make them like small stamps. You know what I mean? Like cut this one out and cut this one out and cut this one out. I like that they have like 25 because you could use this one for like Christmas. But how adorable are these? There's like some stationery up here. Lots of different things you could use these for. I love these. Their stamps are so good. So definitely if you're a crafter, don't miss out on the Temu stamps. They are fantabulous. Here's another set of stamps. These are adorable. These were $2.51. I probably don't have to take these out of package, but I'm going to because I'm worried about the glare. But anyway, these, look how cute. They're crowns. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute for like invitations to maybe birthdays or a baby shower or something like that. How adorable are these? So $2.51 for these. Really nice. Look how nice they are. Like, these are really nice, you guys. These are really nice. So love these. I love the transparent stamps like this. But what I usually do is take a really light sandpaper and kind of just sand it to kind of, you know, that'll help with the stamp if you kind of just very lightly put, you know, sand the back of it. So yeah, I think these are adorable. Look how cute. Absolutely love. I also like to use these to put imprints in like dried clay, like air dried clay or anything like that. So you can make like a little air dried clay crown. Super cute. So $2.51 for those. Okay, here's another stamp. So let's just do it. $2.49 for this one. This one is just kind of like a texture stamp. If you guys are into journaling, let me know. If there are any other journalers out there, $2.49 for these. Look how adorable. You got like this Harlequin kind of one up here, little lines, just some texture stamps to put on your journaling. This one has like little dots. If you can hear the cats, they're playing. This one is like a little splatter. I think those are great. $2.49. These are great, you guys. So good. So good. Okay, this was $4.07. It is a necklace, I believe. Yes. This is so cute. I love this cross necklace. $4.07. I like the chain. The chain's like a snake chain. And then it has this cross at the end. Really pretty. Here, let me take my ring off so it's not getting in the way. So there's that. I love that. And I love the chain too. The chain is really nice. It's like a snake chain. Look how pretty that would be. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love that. Kermit's over there chewing on a box. Kermit. Orange cat energy alert. Look how pretty that would be, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love that. The size is it's a little bit on the bigger size, but I love it. I love it. I love it. $4.07 for that. Kermit, what are you doing over there, buddy? Okay, here's a little brooch. I've been working on some brooch ties to show you guys. So this is a brooch for $1.79. I think this is really pretty. It kind of reminds me of like wintry. It's, you know, it's a little kind of blue. It's got some Aurora Borealis to it. I really like this one though. I love Aurora Borealis or like iridescent stones. I think they're really, really pretty. So I think that's really pretty for $1.79. You could even put it like on a chain if you wanted to. How pretty is that? Yeah, $1.79 for that. That's really, really cute for $1.79. Okay, here's another brooch, and this one was only $1.70. Okay, $1.70 for this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how pretty that is, you guys. Is it like blue or black? They're green. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Like, I don't know if you guys can really pick up on how, like dark, it's like a very, very, very dark green. Wow. Now, see, I can see it in the, you know, the camera kind of. These are very, very dark green with some, oh my gosh, I love this one. I love that one. Oh, wouldn't that be so pretty on like a choker? I love it. $1.70 for this? Like, oh my gosh, no way. Just look at all that beautifulness. Absolutely stunning. For $1.70, stop the press. Stop the press, okay? Stop the press. All right. Let me dig deep in my bag here. Okay, what do we got in here? Oh wow, this is this is something. $16.16. I think I've showed you guys something like this before. It is a set of, it's a jewelry set. Okay, this is some serious, look at this. Look at this guy. This is serious right here. I think I have this in gold too. But look at this chain. This chain is heavy, you guys. Heavy. Heavy on the heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Okay? It's got this tiger, lion, it's not a lion. I don't know. Leopard? Is it a leopard? The chain's really nice. And then you get this matching bracelet. So same kind of chain with the cheetah or whatever. And then it just goes on. You get a matching ring and earrings. Yeah, you get all of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, like technically 4 pieces if you count the earrings as, you know, 1 piece, which I guess I would. But here's the earring. Everything matches. Everything matches. There's the earrings. Oh my gosh. You could even use these as a brooch or a pin, but everything matches. And then you've got the matching ring. So stinging cute. This came in silver and gold. $16 though. That was a lot. $16, but how pretty is that? How pretty is that? I mean, it's a little, you know, extravagant and out there, you know. So it is. It's a little extravaganza. I mean, this is a chunk. This is a chunker. Look at that. Ooh, look, you know what this would be pretty with though? Listen, Linda. I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. I have like zero fashion sense. So I think I'm going to start, you guys, let me know. I want to start a series of like plus size over 50, help me figure out my fashion sense type of channel. Not channel, I'm going to do it on here, series. Where I may wear something like this, which I normally wouldn't wear with like some, you know, I'm just trying to be more fashionable, but I don't know, you guys, I might be failing miserably. And you guys can tell me if I am, but this looks really cool. I think it's cool anyway, but 16 bucks for the whole set. I don't know. Oh wait, here's the gold one. Here's the gold one. So the gold set was only $9.60. So there is that. So if you like the gold set, now, you know, sometimes though Temu gold is very iffy, but it's the same exact set but in gold. Oh yeah, I don't even mind this color. You guys, stop. She's a man-eater. Look at that. I love this. Brian would probably kill me if I wore this, but honestly, the gold's not bad. I'm just going to say it. I will tell you, this chain is heavy, okay? The chain is heavy. And then it comes with the matching bracelet, just like the other one. Comes with the rings. Comes with the earrings. Here's the ring. I really like this. You guys, I really like this. I think with the right outfit, this would be stinking adorable. Honestly, I really do. I think with the right outfit, it would be absolutely adorable. But look at that. I kind of love it. It's going to be short. This chain is not super long, but there is an extender. So I'm thinking it's like 16 to 18. That's what I'm going to guess. 16 with like a 2-inch extender. I kind of love it. And the gold, like, it's not that bad. The gold is not bad. You know how usually you'll get some gold and it's like really bad? It's really not that bad. It's a nice heavy piece for 10 bucks. And you get all these matching pieces. So yeah, I don't know why the gold was $9.60 and the silver was like 16. It's kind of crazy. Okay, then I got these. Okay, why did I get these? I forget. I think these are markers. I think I bought, and it's probably not in this bag, but it might be in another bag, but I think I bought a dry erase board that was black. And so I was thinking I could use these on it. I think these are markers. They were $4.94. Yeah, they are. They're like dry erase markers. Or I'm sorry, they're liquid chalk markers. So these are the colors. So that's what they look like. Sorry if I'm licking my lips. My lips are like really dry. Okay, so I guess you have to kind of push it. Let me see. It's giving pink. It's giving pink. So there it is. I mean, it's supposedly a chalk marker. So you have to squish it to get it to come down. But I love the colors are very vibrant. So if you have like a chalkboard, which maybe that's what I bought, was I think it was like a monthly calendar thing, but it was like a chalkboard type thing, I think. But I don't know what, it's probably hasn't come yet. But you get, oh shoot, I almost dropped it. You get white, orange, purple, pink. Look at this orange. Holy crap. Look at this orange. There's like 2 oranges. You got the blue, you got yellow, you've got like fluorescent green. Look at those colors. Wouldn't those be cool on like a black board? You know what I mean? Like they're going to stick out. So yeah, these are cool. $4.94 liquid chalk markers. So those would be cool. Okay, then I got these earrings, which when you see these, you're going to know why I like them. They were $4.04. This is what they look like. Oh, the backs are bent really bad. Let me bend them back into place. There we go. Look how cute. They've got crowns and bees and pearls and all kinds of things. Look at that. Rhinestones. Oh, I love these. How cool. Kind of Victorian looking. Do you like them? What do you guys think? I love the bees. I love the pearls. I love the crowns. It's like a trifecta. Bees, pearls, crowns. Absolutely. They're a little bit on the heavy side. The rhinestones are amazing. Like the rhinestones at the top and the crown. Look at them like glowing. I love those. Those are great. $4 for these. Well worth $4. Well worth $4. Well worth. Okay, then I got these earrings. These were $1.29. No, they're not clip-ons. I thought they were for a second there. Oh, these are really pretty. They're like gold. They're dangly, okay? They're like a antique kind of gold. And let's see, how am I going to hold these? These are so hard to hold, you guys. So hard to hold. But this is what they look like. And Kermit's getting in a bag over here because that's what he does. But I hope you can see them. They're really pretty. They've got almost like a... The rhinestones are almost like a bronze kind of color. I don't have... I thought I had an earring stand down here, but I don't see it. But aren't they pretty? Like, they'll just be really, really pretty. But yeah, the stones look very bronzy to me. What do you guys think? Now, I am having eye issues, so they look bronze to me. That's what they look like to me anyway. Okay? All right, this bag is empty. Let's see what else I got. Okay, let's do this as our last item. I love this item. I bought two. I can't talk. I bought two. $18.85 for two. Okay? So they were $9 a piece. Or, you know, whatnot. Whatever. I mean, 9-ish. So it's a thing to hold earrings, and I have one hanging upstairs right now. And then this was my extra one to show you guys. So it looks like this. I really like this. It looks really cute hanging up too. And you're gonna be able to put a ton of earrings on here, okay? It hangs up. It's got a wood top that you hang, so this is the top. You hang it up with this little string. It's got wood here, and then it's got this like black mesh, and then a wood bottom. And look how big this thing is. It's this big, okay? And you just poke your earrings through this little hole right here. Like, here, I'll show you. Let's hang these on here so I can show you what I mean. But I'm going to go upstairs and hang this one up too, because I'm going to have two. And I never can, guys, I never can find my earrings. They're like always somewhere I can't find them, you know, or they're this way I can see all the earrings that I have, and they're all together, and I know what I have, and I can tell what I want to wear. You know what I mean? Like, I'm very bad about that. So here's this pair of earrings right here, hanging off of this. So you just put them through and, like, you know, put the backs on. But think of how many earrings you can put on here. Like, so many earrings. So that's why I like it. Plus, you can see everything. So, you know, I'll put these on here too. But yeah, I'll put these on here while we're sitting here. But you guys, don't forget to use my code on Temu. Search it in the search bar. It's ALE 363813. Get some $0 gifts. I actually tried it yesterday to see if it would work, and it was going to let me get $0 gifts. I didn't, but I just want to make sure it worked. So make sure you use that. You're going to get some gifts at $0, okay? Now, the only thing about this that I can see that I'm not going to be able to do is put clip-ons on here. But I thought I could clip them on the side, because I have a lot of clip-ons, you guys. I love clip-ons, okay? Mainly because this side over here is a little bit like lower than my other side, but this is what they look like on the thing. So see how it's holding them on there? But I thought if I have clip-ons, this is almost like a felt or a velvet. So I'm going to put my clip-ons all along the side and all of my other earrings here. But this is going to hold a gajillion earrings, I think. Like, how pretty though. But it's just really nice. Hang it on the wall. It just drapes down. Or you could even put like some sticky stuff on the back and just stick it to the wall. You know what I mean? Which I'll probably reinforce it with that. I have some like double-sided alien tape, so I'll probably put that on the back of my other one. But I just want to show you guys this. So yeah, I love this. It is so cool. But you get two of them for $18. So nine-ish bucks a piece. I don't think that's bad, because then I'm going to be able to see all my earrings that I have and know what I have. So yay for that. A good item that is functional. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and hype. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.